Hello everyone, this printer is Canon Pixma MG2556S. I want to show you how to complete alignment from this printer from computer. If you want to complete alignment from the control panel, you need to select stop button, press and hold it. A warning light will highlight 4 times, then release the button. It will print out alignment page. Then you put the documents back to the computer and select copy color to complete alignment. But in this video, I want to show you how to do this from computer. Once you connect the printer and your computer using a USB cable, then you need to go to laptop start, then go to laptop settings, go to printers and scanners, then you select the printer Canon MG2556S series, select on it. Once you select on it, it will show you the printer and printer start to idle. Then scroll down and select printing preferences, select on it. Then select maintenance. From maintenance, it will show you cleaning, deep cleaning, print head alignment, or nozzle check. So select print head alignment. Then it will show you there are 2 types, align print head or print head valve. So select align print head. So the job is now prompting the printer to align print head. And also it will show you the printer is aligning print head. So you take this paper with this part on the top, then close the cover. The power on light will be highlighting, and also it will show you that you need to press copy color. Once it will scan the paper, the light will continue to flash, but once the job is completed, it will be off. Then discard the paper. So this is how to align printer from the computer. Thank you very much indeed.